Hi guys, good afternoon. So ngayon pupunta po kami sa Desert Safari. Dito na yung mga kasama natin. Ang tagal-tagal magbihis. Ayan, let's go. This is the driver. Brother, what is your name?
Ali.
Ali. So Ali is the driver today. So they pick us here in the villa. So guys, ayan, nagna-negotiate kami. Yung price niya kanina, 250. Sobrang mahal. Nakangisi. Ano, si Arbab, may gold yan. Ayan, no? Hi ka na. Hi.
Wala na inig ako.
Hello. So, ayan na guys. Sakay na sila. Oh, next! Okay. Okay. Bye! 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 No! Guys, ayan na po. Nakatawad na kami ng 150. Oh, okay. Mamaya, magsisubs ka na. Oh, sige. Video to, video. Okay na. Next. Iwan ka na dyan. Say hi! Hi! Yeah, where's the head? Tumali kami kasi na-flat yung ano namin. So lalagyan niya ng hangin. Hello, together! Go! Hello, go! Gang! Hello! Gila, tres! Oh, that's what. Okay guys, we're done. Oh, say hi. We're done. Let's go home. Let's go to the other location. So how was the experience? Finish? Sayang. Oh. Let's go, brother. So guys, ayan na. We're done. We're going to another location. So dito yung sasakyan namin. So pupunta kami dun sa camp. Nandun yung mga alaga namin kami. Pasok.
Kanina pa yung mais.
How was it?
Oh, chat.
Oh my God. Happy.
That's fun.
No energy.
It's fun. Ay, video pala?
Tanongin mo, driver.
How was it? Good. Why you are riding there for free? What is this? And for us we're paying. It's not good.
I am driver.
Ayan po.
Nag-aantay po kami ng mga ayuda.
Yung buhok ni Mami, focus mo.
So ito yung sasakyan namin. Nag-aantay pa kami ng sasakyan papunta dun sa loob sa camp. So ito na po yung service namin. Papunta dun sa camp. Ayan na, go inside, go inside. So I will be in the front because I'll take video.
I will have hard up.
More, no?
Wala lang yung uy, uy.
That is the highest one, brother.
Brother, highest. Wala pa nasa gitna.
We're not yet in the middle, yeah?
Or di pa yung mga
That is very nice, no?
Wala, parang buka ko na lang.
It's your day.
Yung mga ko naman dyan. Sana naman mga anak ako dito. Uy, wala pa. Grabe na wala ako mga anak sa video. Oo nga, wala bang ano to, AC? Uy, maka-video ka ba, Bin?
Brother, jump in the other side, no?
Kamay na. Naligas na lang kamay ko. Oy, oy, oy! Yee! Puro tawag! Puro tawag!
Wala lang yung may
It's just started.
Yes.
Uy, Shwada. Uy, Shwada. Why it's very hot.
Oh my God. Oh my God.
Kaya sakit na nga. Nainit. Where's the camel, brother? Nanganak na!
Brother, that is that is the highest one. You need more higher.
More higher.
Yeah. No more? More, no? I saw the camel. Is that alive?
Camel free for you.
That camel is very thin. How come? So guys, we're done. Oh my God.
Oh my God.
It's very hot. So guys, how was it?
Oh,
It's very hot.
Aba, yung nabutan.
Pawis na pawis. Kanina yan?
Ako yun. Ako, binawisan ako.
Good.
Binawisan ako.
So guys, we're going in the canal.
I will explain you.
Okay, explain. One camel, all together. So,
What? One camel, 2 person, not all together. One person going, I will be...
he said okay.
No.
He said
No. Okay, hold hard, lean back, hold hard,
Awa kayo. Oh, say bye. Bye. So ayan na guys yung camel natin. Ayan na. Let's go. So sabi nila 25 dirhams daw per camel, tapos natawaran namin 25 dirhams per person. So bali dalawa 50. So natawaran namin.
Thank you. Excuse me.
So tinawaran namin, ginawa naming 25 per camel. So bali 25 lang yung nabayaran namin instead of 25 per person.
Hey.
Si Kedi ba Kedi?
Hello.
Anong hilaw?
Hello. Sobrasos lang.
So ayan na guys. Ito na yung camel namin. What is the name of this camel? They have names? They have names? Huh? The name. Raju. This Raju, ha? This Raju.
This one si Raja.
So, ako lang mag-isa guys. Ayan.
My friend, your camel is hungry.
So, next. 25 dirhams. So, ito yung camp na sinasabi nila. Yan nakikita. Yan yung camp na sinasabi nila. Yan. Mas mamaya pa yan mag-start. May free na pagkain dyan. Tapos na 25. So, it's very quick. Hello everybody. Oh. So, we're here in the camp. So pupunta kami doon sa may kabila. Doon kasi magpipicture kami. Ayan. So lakad-lakad.
Ano yung sun surfing dito?
Hello everybody! So nandito kami sa Desert Safari. So ayan, tapos na kami magpicture. Bye. So ayan po yung mga bata guys, sumihiga sa buhangin.
Yes. Well.
Ako sa tuktok. Sila nandun sa baba. Ayan o, ganda ng view dito. Yan. Wala pa masyadong tao kasi Monday ngayon eh. Sunset na. Mas mamaya, nandun naman sa kabila yung camp. Yan. Kita niyo yan. Yan yung camp. Tapos mamaya, dyan yung libre yung pagkain. Tapos merong anong tawag dito? Basta may sasayaw dyan. So, yan. Dito kami dumaan kanina. Oh, say hi! Kaway-kaway! Ano tayo? Tapos yung sunset na yun. So, baba na tayo sa baba. Okay. 1, 2, 3, go! Ikot! Isa pa! Ikot! This one camel only 30 seconds kalas.
Yes.
We paid for 25 dirhams. Yeah, we paid 25 dirhams. So like 30 seconds only. 1 run kalas. I thought like it will take 10 minutes at least.
Which paper?
Okay, come with me. I'll tell you. No, it's okay.
Kahit
All of us, no? We have 3 coming. We will pay again.
No, pay again.
It's completely...
There you have the live everything. Here you will get one time, like barbecue one time, buffet is open one time. But in the top, the buffet start right now to end of the camp. The buffet is always open. And they're making a live barbecue, they're making a live kebab. You can go anytime, you will get unlimited. It's not a one time offer. And there you have a lot of crowd, like you want anything, you will standing between 4-5 people, too much crowd. But in the top, you have the private table with lift service, with live buffet, with live dinner, with everything.
Masa 50 dirhams daw per head. Doon ka sa taas, ito. Pag nandun ka sa taas, makikita mo yung view dito sa labas. Yan. Ito yung stage. 50 dirhams siya per person. Pag dito, wala siyang bayad. Kaso nga lang, pag may pagkain, kailangan mong pumila. So pag madaming tao, mas mahaba pila. Tapos isang beses mo lang siyang makukuha. Hello, let's go! Let's go! Let's go! It's okay for you? It's okay for you? 50 dirhams, no?
For you okay, for me also okay.
Okay, for him, okay. Let's go.
One feather plug together.
Oh, 350. Yeah, let's go. Let's go in the VIP area. So, pupunta kami dun sa VIP area. Ito si Madam. Yan yung magbabayad daw lahat.
parang may pira. Ito, totoong madam. Ito.
Okay, si Madam.
This person give you table.
Okay.
Maganda
So,
ito yun.
tingnan natin sa taas kung anong maganda. So guys, yan na yung pagkain namin. So libre na yan sa 50 dirhams na bayad. So you have to eat finish everything that you can finish. And if you have plastic, you can take in the house here.
So, asan yung ano mo? Itawin mo.
Ano pagkain nila dito sa VIP. Sino pa? Salad. Enough. Thank you. See? I have too much. Little. Ha? Yan ang sabaw. Ito barbecue nandito. Yan, libre na yung barbecue dito pag nagbayad ka ng 50. Ito yung mga pagkain namin. Pag 50 yung binayaran, bali unlimited po yung pagkain natin. Tapos mamaya magte-take out kami.
Sabihin mo yung arbab na nagutom.
Yan o. So, wala na silang ibang customer. 10 dirhams lang. Take video of me.
You can see two also there. Yeah. Put your leg inside, yeah.
Okay, give me my phone. Ay, no. Wait, my phone. Okay. Yala, sura. So guys, ayan na yung kabayo na tigsasampu lang. Uy! Shuhada! If I will fall, brother, I will kill you. No, kill you. Maybe it will run, ha?
Baba, suy, baba.
Ha?
Alam, full eh.
O diba, hindi nakikita yung kabayo mo?
Sakit ng tiyak ko. Sabi na, dadahan. Busog na busog.
Slowly only. This one until Sharjah?
Ay, yes. Maitim na kabayo kasi di
Hindi
makikita.
ka nakikita. I don't like this brown one because if dark you cannot see. How they will say that you are riding horse, no? So at least it's white. If you feel the light, then you can see it. See, I told you this one. Very less only.
Downside?
Huh? No. Hoy!
No need.
No need. No need to hold. No, we can carry. Then you can go there. We will put it back.
Okay, you'll go alone.
Ah, okay. No problem. It's okay.
No, hold, Baba.
Ah, see? Oh, until you know, there is light there, no?
Yeah.
Until that light. You see that light?
Finished, okay? 5 minutes.
What 5 minutes?
Yeah.
Oh, see? 7 o'clock. How come 5 minutes finish? There's still 3 minutes more. Ay, not including coming back, ha? Coming back is different.
Okay?
Oh, 7:05. Okay, 7:05. Car, no problem. The horse not good.
That's not good. I'm not first time only this one.
No. You go back the other side. Same.
Okay.
No, not here. Shuhada.
Bye. Shuhada.
Hey! No, downside. No, downside, Shuhada. Okay, downside, but we will not pay, no problem. No payment, ha? No, joking, only joking. Joking, we will pay. 5 dirhams, yeah?
5 dirham, okay.
How many wife?
Hey! No, you go that side. Yeah, no, 10 dirhams.
This one should run, no? Huh? Yes, like this. Stop, Shweta! We go down.
So guys, ayan na, uwian na. Tapos na yung show. Goodbye everybody. Good night. See you when I see you. Sa? Yala, bye-bye. Goodbye.